Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks again for joining us, we really appreciate it. We are excited to draw Gunnar Henderson of the Baltimore Orioles today. Please subscribe, share this video, let us know who you like to see next. We appreciate the comments. So Gunnar Henderson won Rookie of the Year this year, and we have a favorite baseball card of Gunnar Henderson. Our family likes to collect baseball cards. We have Gunnar Henderson rookie card with a patch that he wore, and we are going to draw. Should I put that there? Why not? Let's just do it. Okay. So Gunnar Henderson, shortstop for the Baltimore Orioles Major League Baseball team, made his debut in 2022, won the Rookie of the Year in 2023, hit 32 home runs, 100 RBIs, born in Alabama, Silver Slugger. Let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and then we'll do Gunnar Henderson's big cartoon head right up there. Get your pointed marker, get the black marker with the pointed tip. We're gonna do actually let's start with the brim of the hat, doing a big arch. So big arch, like so. Go up on the sides and connect for the brim or bill, however you like to say it. Now the side of the hat we're going to do up and kind of angled in, up and kind of angled in, and now we're going to connect with a big arch for the hat. Okay, here we go. Slowly connect. Awesome. Now let's do Gunnar Henderson's head. It's going to be kind of this long arching chin. So down, round it out, and connect up to the hat. And on the side we'll do two small ovals, or long sideways ovals for ears. Okay? And let's do the neck. Come down, down to a point and connect. And we'll do a couple of shoulders, out, out, slant down for the sleeves, slant down for the sleeve, sleeve in, up, up. Now we're gonna go down to the waist, angle in, come straight across, angle down to the waist. Okay, over here we'll do a big oversized baseball circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. My circles never are perfect, they're hard. So we'll do a couple of 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding onto that baseball. And then his arm angles down, down, and over to the baseball. We'll do a line because this will be his sleeve. Over here we'll do this is kind of looks like a sideways lima bean, if you know what that is, we'll do it slow. This is his hand holding onto the baseball bat. Now the baseball bat's gonna angle down toward his feet. Bump, bump. Okay, start skinny at the top. Go round toward the bottom. Skinny at the top, get fatter at the bottom for this big baseball bat. And now his arm angles down, connects into the hand. Okay, let's do a belt. We'll do a rectangle right here at his waist, a smaller rectangle over there, a smaller rectangle right there. Now we're going to bring his legs down, his pants. Starting at the belt, we'll go down, round up, down, round up. Bring that leg down and connect to the ankle. Okay, so we're going to do some big oversized cleats or shoes at the bottom here. One, that's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces, and you can't see the shoelaces back there behind the bat. So bring this big foot over and down, bring it straight across to the heel, and stop, and connect to the pants. Bring this heel down, straight across behind the bat, stop. Other side of the bat, continue on to the edge of the page, round up that toe and into the bat. Okay, Gunnar Henderson's kind of built out here. So now the hard parts, the details. Here we go. Let's do the eyes. Up here we're gonna do some sideways jelly beans. He's got smaller eyes, so here we go. Arch up. Okay, so there's one. See how it says jelly, kind of a skinny jelly bean. Round up, and then up, bump up on the bottom. Same thing over here. Couple of jelly beans. Circle on the inside for the highlight of the eye. Keep that white. Do a little black for the pupil around the highlight. And then really quick, I'm just gonna get the blue, a light blue, and go around the black to add a little bit of color to Gunnar Henderson's blue eyes. There we go. Put that blue marker back. Now let's do the edge of the eye, bring it down, make a dot. The edge of the eye, bring it down, make a dot. Those are gonna be the edge of the nose. So bump up, down, bump up, down. He's got kind of skinny nostrils. Down and up, connect. Okay. Now let's do the mouth. He's gonna be smiling. The mouth's a little hard, so here we go. Start about the edge of the nose. Go up, down, and out. Come in a little bit and down. Color the corner of the mouth. Bring a little line. Angle up for these smile lines. A line under the lip. And he's got a chin that kind of rounds up, so we'll do a little chin there. He's got some smile lines out from the nose. And on the hair, we're gonna bump up some curls. He's got kind of this big mullet thing going on. So we'll do some curls bumping out from the back of his head. There we go. Now, we're gonna do the number 2 down here in our black and then fill it in with orange. So go straight across. The numbers are kind of hard, so if you need to pause or go in slow motion, please do so. I'm gonna go fast on the numbers, not take too much time. Okay. Kind of thicken the outline of the black there. And then the same thing with the word Orioles. Actually, let's do a little bit of a black on the side of the hat for the Orioles. We'll fill this in with our black marker on the fast forward. And then round up and out. Down. That's the hat of the bird. Bump out, bump out. Hopefully I'm doing this right. A couple of circles. Follow slowly. There we go. Smiling bird, as best as we can. All right, so now we'll do a little, color that in black. We gotta do cursive Orioles in orange. Now if you don't know cursive, it's possible you don't because cursive isn't being practiced a lot in schools, but we're gonna get our orange marker and I'm going to copy the Orioles logo on his chest the best we can. So we're gonna go in O, R, E, S, and then bring a big underline. Okay. And I'll outline that in black. So, we have Gunnar Henderson outlined. We're gonna do brown hair, flesh color, leave the jersey white. Actually, we got a couple of stripes on the side here. We'll do a stripe in orange on that side. Stripe in orange on that side. Stripe down the leg in orange. Stripe down the leg in orange. We'll do a couple of orange stripes on the shoes, fill those in on the fast forward. And we'll do the bat in yellow. All right, so fast forward now. Thanks for joining us. Hey kids, let's draw. Gunnar Henderson of the Baltimore Orioles, Rookie of the Year 2023. Let us know what you think. Fast forward now.